class, and welcome to this class. In our previous class, we were able to look at groups in English, and we defined a group as a group of words which cannot stand alone and bring out a complete thought unless it combines with another group or groups to bring out an intended meaning. And we were able to state the type of groups in English. And we stated we have nominal group, verbal group, and adverbial group according to systemic functional grammar. We also stated these groups have peculiar structures they assume whenever they surface within a clause or a sentence. Therefore, this afternoon, we shall be looking at what aspects of the groups which is nominal group. The question now is, what is a nominal group? When you see the word nominal, it is a simple reference to the word noun. We understand that nouns are part of speech that lays claim to the position of subjects, objects or complements, or object of preposition termed completive in systemic grammar within a clause or sentence. So nominal groups have the capability to perform that same function within a clause or a sentence. Nominal group is therefore a group of words with either noun or pronoun or adjective as the head word. I know you might be wondering what is the commas between adjective and the nouns. So just try to watch our videos on each type of nominal group where we have addressed them comprehensively. So nominal groups perform the same functions with nouns. It should be noted here that nominal groups are of different types. Now, let's consider types of nominal groups.
Some scholars
Identified three types of nominal groups, which are noun-headed nominal group, pronoun-headed nominal group, and adjective-headed nominal group. But other scholars came and collapsed these three into two by subsuming pronoun-headed nominal group under noun-headed nominal group. They therefore identified noun-headed nominal group, adjective-headed nominal group. But for better understanding, these three types of nominal groups have been treated in isolation. So you can get our videos on each type of nominal group. It should be noted that nominal groups have a peculiar structure they adopt when they surface, and the structure is MHQ. This is the structure nominal groups usually adopt whenever they appear within a sentence or a clause. Now, what do these labels stand for? M stands for premodifiers or prehead word, or simply put, modifier as termed by systemic functional grammarians. As the name implies, these are the words that usually come before the head words. This shelters all the words coming before the noun or the pronoun or the adjectives serving as the head word within that group. Take for instance, in these expressions, the man, many people, the poor. We all know that in these examples above, the words man and people are nouns, while the word poor is adjective. But these words, the determinants coming before them, are just modifiers. Are you following me? So the words underlined are pre-modifiers or modifier, while man, people, and poor are the words they are modifying, the word they are describing. It should be noted here that these words coming before the head words are optional. They can be omitted within the group. If you could recollect, in our introduction to groups class, I stated that some scholars have proven it that a word can stand to represent an entire group. Therefore, the modifiers are optional. Now, let's look at what H stands for. H stands for the head word. This is the obligatory element within a nominal group. Without this head word within the group, nominal group can never be realized. It can be a noun items or a pronoun or an adjective within the group. Let's look at this. Some people here, those standing, the underprivileged, the word people, which is a noun, those, which is a pronoun, and underprivileged, which is an adjective, in their respective nominal groups, are the head words. Let's look at Q. Q stands for the qualifiers. It is also called post-modifiers or post-head words. The item under Q usually comes after the head words, which are noun, pronouns, adjectives. Take for instance, people in the city, the man there, the woman selling bags. We all understand that the words people, man, and woman are all nouns. They are serving as the head words in this group. So all these words underlined after them are qualifiers. In the city, there, selling bags are all qualifiers describing the head words. Are you following? All right. Let's see these examples in a clause. The people in the city are more civilized. In the city, underlined, serving as a qualifier to the people. The man there needs our help. There, underlined, serving as a qualifier to the man. For more detail on each type of nominal groups, try and get our video on each type where they have been extensively addressed. I believe this class has added to your knowledge on the concept of nominal group. If you think this class has done, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Also on TikTok, Systemic Functional Grammar class. And don't forget to click the like button. See you in our next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.